Hello dear aspirants, you're welcome on Learning with L&R, and today we are going to discuss about the new topic, that is Indian Nursing Council. And this is the council which regulate the rules and regulation quality of education in all over the India, especially in for our profession. It is the regulatory body, and it begins in 1947. Indian Nursing Council Act 1947, Act number of year Act number 48 of 1947, enacted date 31st December 1947. Then the Indian Nursing Council is an autonomous body under the Government of India. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare was constituted by the central government under Section 3(1) of the Indian Nursing Council Act 1947 of Parliament in order to establish a uniform standard of training for nurses, midwives and health visitors in our nation. Organizational structure, there are some members in organization structure. First one is president, then vice president, secretary, joint secretary, deputy secretary, assistant secretary and other members. Committees are also there. The first one is executive committee of the council. The main role of this committee to deliberate on the issues related to maintenance of standards of nursing education program. This committee wholly and solely responsible to maintain the standard of nursing education. And the second one is the Nursing Education Committee to deliberate on the issues concerned mainly with nursing education and policy matters concerning to nursing education. Then the third one is Equivalence Committee to deliberate on the issues of recognition of foreign qualification, which is essential for the purpose of registration under section this. Okay, some students gain the education from foreign countries and want to practice here. In that case, this committee assess their evaluation, assess their education, they meet the criteria to work here or not. Finance committee or purchase committee, vigilance committee, then department promotional committee, anti-ragging committee. There are other various subcommittees constituted by the council time to time for revision of various nursing programs. Then Act Objective and Act to constitute an Indian Nursing Council, whereas it is expedient to constitute an Indian Nursing Council in order to establish a uniform standard of training for nurses, midwives and health visitors in our nation. It is hereby enacted. Then aim of INC, Indian Nursing Council, to establish a uniform standard of training for nurses, midwives and health visitors all over India. It is the main purpose or main aim. Functions: to establish and monitor a uniform standard of nursing education for nurses, midwives, auxiliary nurse, midwives and health visitors by doing inspection of the institution, so that the INC check that the institution meet the criteria, meet the standard of education or not. To establish and monitor a uniform standard of nursing education for nurses, midwives, auxiliary nurse midwives and health visitors by doing inspection of the institutions. To recognize the qualification under section 10(2)(4) of the Indian Nursing Council Act 1947 for the purpose of registration and employment in India and abroad. To give approval for registration of Indian and foreign nurses possessing foreign qualification under section after assessment of their qualification. To prescribe minimum standards of education and training in various nursing programs and prescribe the syllabus and regulation for nursing programs. The INC, the main role of the INC, maintain the syllabus, to enter new topic, exclude old one. This is the main aim of the INC. Then power to withdraw the recognition of qualification when the institution do not meet the criteria, do not maintain the standard up to the mark and up to the guidelines, according to the guidelines of the INC, then INC can cancel their tie-up with the INC. Okay. Then to advise the state nursing councils, examining boards, state governments and central government in various important items regarding nursing education in the country. It communicate the messages, maintain the standard of the profession, to regulate the training policies and programs in the field of nursing, to recognize institutions, organizations, universities imparting master's degree, bachelor's degree, PG diploma, certificate courses in field of nursing. These all courses, the institutions have to take the recognition from INC. To recognize degree, diploma, certificate awarded by foreign universities, institutions on reciprocal basis. Then to promote research in nursing, to maintain Indian nurses register for registration of nursing personnel, then prescribe code of ethics and professional conduct, so that during providing the care, the nurses should be safe and the client also. To improve the quality of nursing education, there are some functions of the INC. First one is recognizes nurses as a separate branch in health services, because nursing is a profession and it is an independent profession. Regulates nursing training throughout the country. In all over the country, the training related to nursing from ANM to MSc to PhD, all the trainings regulate by the INC related to nursing specifically. Recognizes qualifications, then seek information on course of study and training and examination from any state. Then inspect schools and colleges of nursing at any time. Can withdraw the recognition on nursing institutions if they do not meet the standard, do not meet the criteria, do not follow the guidelines of the INC. Then maintains Indian nurses register so that they can work in India as well as in abroad. Has power to make regulations that govern nursing. After that, permits title, badge and uniforms for registered nurses, and brings out publication related to research studies published by INC. I hope you have clear with this topic, that is Indian Nursing Council. If you feel any kind of difficulty, kindly inform me. I will surely help you. Thank you very much.